Hi everyone. So we just launched our new MAGICBIT Learning Kits. So what is new in this MAGICBIT new Learning Kits? MAGICBIT new Learning Kits have three new products which are MAGICBIT Learner, MAGICBIT Explorer and MAGICBIT Master. So all of these products have our signature MAGICBIT core development board plus the MAGICBIT Explorer kit has the MAGICBot, the robot platform bundled with other accessories as a new package, and in the MAGICBIT Master kit you can experience everything we have built with our MAGICBIT core board and the MAGICBot robot platform and the additional 10 sensor module. And with each of these three packages, we are now providing more accessories and more options for you to explore your creativity. And with every kit, we have now bundled our premium learning portal access, which provides step-by-step guidelines and lessons to do different activities in the areas of coding, robotics, IoT, and electronics, and to do innovations around all these areas using our MAGICBIT kits. So I invite all of you to try out our new MAGICBIT Learning Kits so you can explore a world of innovations using MAGICBIT.